Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday and it's Errand Day. We have a 3-layer cake. Our first layer is our 5 routines, our 5 beautiful routines. Remember, 5 is the number of grace. So we're going to start with our morning routine for ourselves, simple and sweet, 30 minutes at the max. Then we're going to follow it with our morning routines for our children, 20 minutes, probably not even that long. And then we're going to have our laundry, our paperwork, our after dinner routine. Oops, these are 2 morning routines for the kids. So morning routine for yourself and the kids, that's part A and B. Laundry, paperwork, after dinner routine, before bed routine. Okay, if you don't remember how to do those, you can go back to yesterday. I gave you a little bit of a review on the morning and after dinner routines. I mean the morning routine and the before bed routine. So these things are going to happen every single day. For you fly babies who are at home fly babies, you're going to start with morning routine, followed by your children's morning routine, followed by laundry and paper. Those are happening first. Then you're going to do the after dinner routine after dinner and the before bed routine before bed. If you're a payroll fly baby, you're going to move these 2 that way. So it's going to be morning routine for you and your children. When you come home from work, laundry, paper, then after dinner, before bed. Okay? Okay. Next, we're going to move to the second layer of our sweet cake, and that is our zone. We're in zone 3, the bathroom and one other room. So remember, at the beginning of this week, when you made your plan, maybe on Sunday afternoon or even the Wednesday before on planning and desk day, I like you to kind of revisit on Sunday though. So you picked out 4 things you were going to do in those 2 rooms, a total of 4 things. So maybe 1 or 2 things in the bathroom and 1 or 2 and 2 or 3 things in the other room, whatever the other room is. It's the room that's not identified in any of these other zones. Okay, like the desk, the office, or maybe you have a little den that nobody uses a lot, or a guest room or a laundry room, a loft, you know, different rooms that you might have. Okay, so you're going to work in these rooms. Now, you might say, I want to work all 4 days in my bathroom. That's fine. You might say, I don't have anything to do in the bathroom. I want to work all 4 days in the loft. That's fine. Just a total of 4, 1 a day, 10 minutes or less for deep clean, 15 minutes for zone clean, not zone cleaning, 15 minutes for decluttering. And then you have to complete the process by throwing away, putting away, and giving away. Okay? All right. So next we're going to move on after we've done our zone. So if you're staying home, it looks like this. Laundry's going, you're going through an inch of paper, that's done. Laundry's still going. You're going to go ahead and work on the basic weekly plan, the zone rather, which is, let's say it's the loft in this example. So you're going to go work for 10 minutes in there cleaning the fan or whatever, or less. And then you're going to go straight on to the 4th thing, which is errand day. So you're going to get in the car and run your errands, which you planned yesterday. And all your giveaways are in the trunk from any decluttering that you did. If you're payroll fly baby, it's going to look like this. Morning routine, go to work. At work, you're going to say on your lunch hour, you've already got it in your planner, what am I going to do for, oh yeah, I need to go to Goodwill and drop some things off. I need to go get a birthday present for my niece, and that's it. Okay, and so you run your things. Now you can't go buy your errands. You can't buy groceries on your lunch hour normally, so that's all right. You have a plan for that. You're either going to do it Saturday, or you're going to delegate it to someone else to do, or you're going to have it delivered, or you're going to order it and pick it up. You might even do that on your way home from work. If you did that yesterday, maybe you had enough time to get it so you picked it up today. It's up to you, whatever works for you. You're the CEO. But when you come home, let's say you did buy groceries, and let's say you have to empty the groceries. So when you come home, hi kids, how are you doing? You're going to inspect what you expect. Did you do the dusting? Very good. Come help mom get the groceries out of the car, please. Everybody comes, we help mom get the groceries out of the car. Be careful with that, it's eggs. You get it in the house, and you put it away. right? Start supper, and then put your laundry on while it's going. Take a few minutes to go through your paper, 1 little inch, and then do your zone work. So you're going to go into that loft in the example that we used and do 10 minutes of deep cleaning in one thing. So let's say you decided today you were going to clean out under the cushions of the couch, and it takes you 5 minutes. That's fine. You're done. All right, if you have to declutter, it's 15 minutes, staying in place, picking 3 containers to put it in that's already predetermined. So you take that up there with you, you stand in place, start your music, start your timer, stand there and only move your hands, making very good decisions using your brain, not putting off decisions for another time. Throw away, put away, give away, put away, throw away, put, for 15 minutes. If you run out of stuff to declutter, move over to the next area. If you don't have anything else to declutter, you're done. Now, when the timer stops and goes off, and you're still in the middle of the first pile, that's fine too. Whenever the timer stops, you're done unless you ran out of stuff to declutter. Then you're going to take the giveaway to the trunk of your car for next Thursday. And you're going to take the put away and go put it away, or in the room that it needs to go in if there's no room to put it away, until you declutter that room, and then you'll have room. And then the garbage goes out. And you can even have one of the kids help you with that. All right, then, did I tell you to start supper? I meant to if I didn't. So your supper's holding, right? 15 minutes in there, plus that 5 minutes to finish up. Then you're going to be done because your errands were done on your lunch hour, okay? And you're going to do a clutter check, because we do 3 clutter checks a day. 1 in the morning before you leave for work, or if you're staying at home, 1 in the morning before the kids leave for school, or before you start homeschooling, or whatever. In the morning, in the afternoon when you come home from work, or just in the afternoon, maybe before nap time for the mommies at home, and then before bed. 3 clutter checks, just to make sure that the areas you've decluttered don't reclutter. It's not to be mean, it's not to be judgmental, it's not to be a perfectionist, it's to simply stop the habits, the mindless cluttering. All right, next we get to have dinner, and then everyone is going to do our after dinner routine, and then we're going to do our before bed routine for the children and a before bed routine for you. Don't forget to check your planner. What's for dinner tomorrow? What are you wearing tomorrow based on what you're doing or the children are doing? Get it all planned out. Lay your clothes out for tomorrow morning. And if you can lay out the kids' clothes, that's even better. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.